Today we'll be making pot roast in a Dutch oven. We'll be using beef broth, salt and pepper, garlic salt, seasoning salt, a little wine, mushrooms, an onion, celery, about 5 potatoes, about 5 carrots. This is a 3.75 pound rump roast, and we'll have French bread. In your Dutch oven, add a little oil on medium heat. Browning roast, seasoned with salt and pepper, garlic salt, and seasoning salt. Browning pot roast in Dutch oven. Salt and pepper, seasoning salt, and garlic salt added. We'll add 1/4 cup of beef broth once the roast is browned. We'll also pour 1/4 cup of red wine over the top of the roast once it's browned. Browned roast. Adding 1/4 cup of beef broth over the top of the roast. Adding 1/4 cup of wine over the top of the beef roast. Cut your onion in half, place it on top of the roast with toothpicks. The same with 2 stalks of celery. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Place roast in oven at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. Carrots ready to cut. Carrots cut into about 1-inch pieces. Potatoes ready to cut. Potatoes cut in about 1-inch slices. Mushrooms ready to cut. Mushrooms cut in half. Pot roast after cooking at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. We'll now add potatoes and carrots and mushrooms. Try to nestle some potatoes underneath the roast. Mushrooms, potatoes, and carrots added to the roast, ready to go back in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees, or until done. Back in the oven for another 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Pot roast right out of the oven. Potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, ready to serve. Remove from Dutch oven. Add a little juice from the bottom of the pan, like the juice. Add more juice to your vegetables. Roast beef cooked in a Dutch oven with potatoes and carrots and mushrooms, onion, celery, French bread, ready to eat.